supercell thunderstorm that may indeed have multiple circulations inside of it. Again, moving eastward very quickly.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near South Shore to Fort Heights to near Peotone, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Hammond, East Chicago, Schererville, Highland, Munster, Dyer, St. John, and Whiting around 8:45 p.m. Merrillville, Crown Point, and Griffith around 8:50 p.m. Gary, Lake Station, and New Chicago around 8:55 p.m. Hobart, Cedar Lake, Lowell, Lake Delacarlia, and Ogden Dunes around 9 p.m. Portage, Valparaiso, Chesterton, South Haven, and Burns Harbor around 9:05 p.m. Hebron, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Porter, Winfield, and Beverly Shores around 9:10 p.m. Cout around 9:20 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and northwestern Indiana.
Let's zoom in on this guy, just to the southeastern Memphis. This is a tornado warning now for Benton.
The following